I thought of this one, which I created on the way home around 3 a.m. in the Uber. I was chatting to the Uber driver, and I thought, well, we were chatting, and he was telling me, the percentages that they pay and so on. And obviously, at 3 a.m., you want to help everybody, especially after a few tequilas. So I thought, what would it take to build the equivalent of Uber, so that we don't, rip the drivers off, etc. And here's my cat. That's why I'm standing and wearing white, because my little let me share him with you. My little white fluffy likes climbing on me with his white fur, and then I'll get covered in fur in 10 minutes. So hopefully you don't see the fur in this picture. Okay, let me sort him out, and I'll be back. Should I see? Look what you did, lighting.